leading through transition, we all get to fail forward. What are some areas that, as you've been learning and growing, that, it didn't work out too well?
Yeah, I mean, I will tell you how badly I need my team because they often correct me and keep me out of trouble. Yeah, you know, I'm a real big fan of the idea of learning organizations, and the simple concept, and it's very complex, but I'm simple-minded, so I'll say it in simple ways, is how we collaborate, how we see success or a great idea in someone, and that's shared, and how do we duplicate that, and how do we speak honestly to one another, authentically to one another, so we are free to say, you know, and trust me, my team is more than comfortable telling me when I'm wrong. But I hope that they also know that there's a certain amount of trust that we have, and I see that in high-performing teams, and I humbly say that I'm a part of a high-performing team because we can tell each other the truth without retribution. We can push each other even when we're not in the mood to be pushed, and we can encourage one another, not in some sort of false, inspirational, positive-minded way, but the push is coming because I know that they care about me, and they know I care about them. So it's fun to be a part of that environment.
So how do you create that environment? Because we have leaders who are high-performing leaders driving results, yet they don't have an open door policy where their team can give them real feedback and then you actually receive it. There's a lot that goes into that. So how did you create that?
I think it starts with me. It starts with the leader. What's the term bear witness, right? I need to conduct myself in a certain way that may open the eyes and minds of others to want to be inquisitive. So I do think that because I'm a student of leadership and I share books, I share videos, I shared my experience at ASU when I was pursuing my degree. I shared that. My team was a part of my learning experience. And as a result, in some way, I hope, I'll say humbly, that may have sparked some interest in wanting to pursue some interest in leadership or business that they may have. And I believe that sort of it just snowballs like that. And then as they learn something, they share that there's a reciprocity in knowledge. And that's fundamentals of a learning organization where there's just this constant back and forth of, it's not about me being right or you being right. Why don't we just arrive at the most right answer for our people, for our business, and move forward?